Hello ladies and gentlemen, my name is David Kamay and it is Saturday the 4th of February 2017. Now the Common Law Nations Alliance in relation to communications and memberships. I've just got to mention those two things in this short video. First of all, the communications. It came to my attention about 2 hours ago actually that people have been sending emails and not getting a response, and for that I apologise. Everything should have been dealt with by now. I've been dealing with it over the past couple of hours. So all of you who did write in, hopefully you've got a response now. Now the problem with it really is that we're going through a transition of hardware and software. We've got various emails and you've got to get the software Outlook set up. I'm no good at any of the software stuff, of course, but nevertheless you've got to get the Outlook set up, which fields all the different emails so you see them all in one place. Basically it's transition period. There's and so it's not been running as smoothly as it should have been. From now on though, you should get a response. If you write in, you should get a prompt response. Nobody likes waiting around after sending an email. And it should all be running pretty smoothly from now on, or at least very soon. It should all be up and running and no real problems there. So, but once again, apologies to those who had to wait for a response. Now the other thing is membership. I just want to be very clear about this. The website should be very clear about this. When you join, you will get an email response saying thank you, sort of words to this effect. You know, we aim to be creating some cards soon or some sort of identity, and that's it. And for the £15 you get discounts on the events when we have them. When we have the product, if we get some products sold, you get discounts on that. But you've got to understand this is at the beginning of this organisation, for want of a better word, and it's got to have time to grow. We're trying to get it together, trying to get it moving, and any funding is helpful. You know, it takes a lot of time and money and effort to get this information up, to get the whole thing sorted out, to get the website up, and the membership really goes towards helping that, and it is to a good cause, as you've no doubt noticed. But I repeat, what you get when you join, we get an email. You should get an email now when you join, and you get the discounts on events when they happen and on products when they happen. But most of all, what you're doing at this stage is pledging your support so we can get this the Common Law Nations Alliance to grow, to get some traction, and to have more effect. Other things you can do when you're a member, if you're a member, for example, for a small fee, we will send you the flyers to deliver, should you want to do that. But you don't get a package through the post. I don't know anybody who sends a big package of anything through the post when you join them. But hopefully that's clear, and hopefully we can build this and go from, you know, this stage of transition between computer or hardware and software and so on to something that's got a lot of traction and that really has quite an effect. So apologies for the delays for the emails. They should have now been dealt with. You should have now had your response, and hopefully you're very clear on what it means when you become a member. And thanks to all of you who have joined, of course, and thanks to all of you who've donated. And I shall speak to you soon. Thank you very much for watching.